Introducing the Canadian Holiday Voyageurs.
Welcome everyone to Epcot's International Festival of the Holidays.
Hey!
We are the Canadian Holiday Voyageurs. Happy holidays, everyone! Joining us on our musical journey across Canada during this amazing holiday season. Again, I am April and we are the Canadian Holiday Voyageurs. The first song we did for you is a Canadian holiday favorite called the Christmas Jig. Now, my friends, the band and I have traveled here from many different parts of Canada in order to share with you our own unique regional holiday traditions. Now, each one of us comes with a different part of the story because Canada is truly a nation of many different cultures. For example, my good friend Jason here is from Alberta. Now, here is the style of music they share in his part of the country during the holidays. Let's go! join me as I go home for the holidays to Quebec. Now, in my part of the country, we celebrate the holidays with a big feast called Le Réveillon. And that's where all of my family and all of my friends gather together for some great food and a wonderful celebration. And I'm hoping Père Noël has something great for me this year. You all know who that is, right? Of course you do. You may know him as Santa Claus, but whether you know him as Santa Claus or Père Noël, before he visits, it's time for Le Réveillon! as I said earlier, Canada is a nation of many different cultures. And certainly one of the great things we honor is the cultural traditions of our Indigenous First Nation Native people. Now, the youngsters in the First Nation sing Christmas carols in order to appease the mysterious Naleuks to earn their presents. So, in honor of that tradition, we invite you all to sing with us now and earn your presents from the Naleuks.
story of holiday celebrations in Canada without including those wonderful traditions contributed by the English and the Irish and even some Scottish influences on our national heritage. For example, like the mysterious, mischievous Bells Nichols, who help Santa figure out who has been naughty or who has been nice. And then we have the mummers. They'll knock on your door and won't go away without a hot toddy or a Christmas cake. The celebration of the 12 days of Christmas and so many other festivities. So in honor of those English and Celtic roots, here is an example of the musical sounds you would hear in Newfoundland, Ontario, and Nova Scotia. Out by the porch door, the International Festival of the Holidays. We are the Canadian Holiday Voyageurs, and how about a hand for this band up here? Aren't they amazing? What